Good morning children, how are you all doing? Hope you all are doing good. And I saw all your homeworks. I appreciate each one of you. Wonderful job done by each of you. And today we'll have a short recap about EVS lesson. What's your EVS lesson? Introducing? Yes, myself. I already told you, who is myself? Yourself. Introducing about yourself. Your name, age. I am a boy or girl. I study in which school? MVM school. Yes, I study in class 1. I live at your place. Yes. And I told you, right, to practice introducing yourself. Did you all do that at home? You should say like, my name is this, my age is this, I am a girl or boy, I study in, like that. You have to practice introducing yourself at home. And then we saw about identity cards, right? What is an identity card? You wear that daily to school, right? Yes, it tells about you, the details about you, your name, age, address, everything. And the day you were born is known as your birthday. I asked your birthday yesterday. How many of you told me? Now again, tell me your birthday. You all remember? When you come back, I will ask your birthday. And look around yourself. Do we all look same? I asked. No, right? We are all different. We are all different from each other. Each one of you is special. For me especially, you are all very special for me. Each one of you. You all like to do different things, right? Some like playing, coloring, cycling, dancing, swimming. Some do karate, some do yoga, some like singing, like that. Yesterday itself we saw, right? And then about your favorite thing. What is your favorite thing? I asked you, what is your favorite cartoon character? Tell me your favorite cartoon character. Okay, I want you to tell with the spelling by yourself. Okay, tomorrow again I will ask you, get ready. Have to tell me your, for example, like Peppa Pig means you have to tell me the spelling for Peppa, P-E-P-P-A, Peppa Pig. And if it is Dora, you have to tell me the spelling for Dora, D-O-R-A. Like that, your favorite cartoon character name. With spelling, you have to tell by yourself. And today we are going to see about our values. What are the values? We should learn good manners. What is good manner? Tell me. See, good manners also become our identity. See, only your name, age, address doesn't only give the identity. Your good manners also is an identity about yourself. See, if you are a good boy, good girl, if you have good manners, like for example, like if you are very good at dancing, if you are very good at writing, if you are very good at reading, that's a good manners. If you help others, that's a good manners. If you eat food on time, that's a good manner. If you listen to your parents, respect them, that's a good manner. See, that also becomes an identity. For example, people look at you and say like, see, that boy is very good. He listens to his mother always. See, this girl is very good. She always eats food on time. See, this boy is very polite. And then we should be kind and polite while talking to people. We should always be kind and polite. Yes, you should always be kind and polite. We should not fight with our friends while playing. We should not fight while playing with friends and get angry also. Okay. We should respect our parents and teachers. You should always respect your parents, teachers, your elders at home, your neighbors, friends, each one out in this world. You should respect each and every one. Okay. Do you share your favorite toy with your friend? If you share, then tell me why. You should answer me this. Each one of you answer me. Do you share your favorite toy? Why do you share? Tell me. It gives you happiness. You play, right? Yeah, you have to tell me why you share your favorite toy with your friend. And then we'll go for let's remember. What are the things we learned in this lesson? We'll have a short recap in this let's remember. Every child wears an identity card to school. Yes. The day you were born is known as your birthday. We are all different from each other. Yes, you're all special. The thing that we like most of all is our favorite thing. Yes, what is your favorite thing? The thing that we like, something or someone we like the most, is our favorite thing. That is what we saw in this lesson. And we'll see some of the keywords of this lesson. Identity card. A card that has name, photograph, address of a person to show who that person is, said to be the identity card. Special. Special means everyone is special, not ordinary, right? For a reason. And favorite. Someone or something that we like the most is our favorite. Identity. Identity means who or what a person or thing is. It is your identity. For example, like good manners, everything comes under identity. Polite. Polite means being kind and helpful. It is said to be polite. And then we will see a fill up here exercise. Okay, about this lesson. Card that tells people some things about us is our. What card is that tells people about us? Reply card or identity card? Answer me. Identity card. Yes, we'll write the answer here. Identity. You should read the spelling also, okay? The day we were born is our age or birthday. Which is right? The day we were born is our age? No. Is our birthday? No. Which is right? The day we were born is our birthday. Yes, right? Birthday here. Something that we like the most of all is our dash thing. What is that thing? Favorite thing or like thing? What? That's our favorite thing. Something that we like most of all is our favorite thing. We'll write favorite here. I live in, write the name of your place. Which place do you live? Your city name. If you live in Pammal, you should write Pammal. If you live in Porchilur, you should write Porchilur here. If you live in Krompet, you will write Krompet here. Okay, this is the fill up we saw today. Okay children, I have assigned work for you. Okay, you have to complete your work on daily basis. Write neatly in exact lines. I want the homework to be submitted neatly and do your work by yourself. You can ask your parents' help, but the answer should be done by you alone. Okay, and read the spellings, drink lots of water, eat food on time. I'll meet you at next class. Bye.